It don't reach 22 times.
Yes, sir.
The government don't come here and say, we're going to come out. No. 22 times.
Yes, sir.
No, so. Government will come meet you here. They come every time they tell you, we're going to come out here. 22 times.
Yes, sir.
And they come. Well, I'm not doing anything. What I do now to go carry people. When they want government to see better, when they want Nigeria to see better, and I carry them, they go for television and say, we'll be land grabbers. How will they be land grabbers for the land where we get? Can you grab what you want to be your own? 22 times. And this did not start today. And see as security everywhere. We don't know who be who.
Yes, sir.
See train station they pass here. Not so.
That's so, sir.
How you go say make lead people on some of our different nobody know. If not I see you and I know you. The other person I know them. What do you want me to do? No government go say it go just like that. See where would they get the threat of insecurity everywhere. If they talk of inflation, I agree. Then you go out of insecurity again. You know, say things don't come bad. So no one will feel tackle, no go tackle them now. We will solve the problem. Insecurity is a big problem for Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And we will not go fit for our arms to say they could live up so. 10,000 people. Where did they come from? We don't know. Today here kidnapping here. Tomorrow here this will happen here. Tomorrow here they don't keep this. And then when they do a finish, they will come under your can't stay. Then you say, me could leave. No, so would they do something? Me, I be human being like you be human being too. If I see where you get problem to help, we go help. But when you be like say, you want to turn out to say you dey confront government, that one you no go fit do am.
Yes, sir.
If anybody they tell you say make you can't confront government, but make you don't be tearing near that. Me, I know be without people when they say you do 22 times. I don't go do that one. I don't go fit to wait for that 22 times for them to know. I don't go fit. Every day security men need to sleep. Tell me now how I will take no say. You, if they talk about that, you see as you be like a good person, don't be so. I think so. See as your face, they're innocent, they look well, don't be so. How many people look well like you were there? So when many people go feel sign guarantee now? Someone could live, nothing will feel happen. You see why it's difficult for us? See this trailer where they see. How many times when they don't go cut them? Now he make before where they say they walk. Now because they vandalize the rail line, the track. Now which people they do them? Now the people waiting for the corridors here. Something where they prepare for all of us to use. For what, 2, 3, 4 years. You know work. Because now they go to vandalize them. We know we fit assure you say we will live on to stay here. No, nobody will fit give that kind of assurance. What I want to talk to say, as you did that way you say with their spokesperson, but I don't know the spokesperson of who. But if on our feet bring like 5 people, you understand what I talk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But don't be say, I watch her for video. And they come when police go and I want to be something. That's why they try people. That's what make it not happen again at all.
Okay, so.
If anybody ever come put something here again, this opportunity what they give her now. One I will bring 5 people to come talk to government. They could say what video of them, that one not go happen again.
We tell you
that one. So I make nobody say in they put anything here. And all those who want to go bring for television, whether abuse government, may they come and talk say, Wike leave us alone. Those things need to work. You understand me? Those kind of things need to work. All those people they find where they will collect money from. We will do our work. We no go fit allow wetin go bring problem for Abuja. We no go fit allow. I understand your plight. I will understand. That's why I'm giving you this opportunity of 5 of you to come. We will just see what you will fit do. But not to leave here. Hold on. Don't thank me. I'm not a lot of people when they thank me. They thank me 22 times. You don't need to do anything. Now you thank me. So, some 5 people, Director of Arms, CP, SSS, and civil. Brigade of Guards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's make it 7. Since the 71st, I want more person. Give me it to be 2. Choose one person. Choose one person to make it 7. Please. Who is it? You are the person.
Yes.
Bring the 5 people.
Okay. We'll bring them, sir.
Including you, make a 5.
We are coming, sir.
On Tuesday, don't be said, don't be distracted.
Okay, sir.
Director of Lands, people should arrange to see them, hear from them, and make a recommendation on what we should. It's very important. You are all Nigerians, you are all Nigerians. You must try to do the right thing. Please tell your people when they do something.
Nothing will be good again.
If they do that one, I don't want to talk
We
to
assure you 100%. Nothing will be good.
Do you understand me?
You understand, sir?
Thank you. God bless you. Well, as you can see, we have had a lot of threats of insecurity in FCT, and the security agencies are working 24 hours to make sure that Abuja is safe, to make sure that citizens and residents of Abuja go about their normal businesses, having sleepless nights to make sure that all of us sleep comfortable. And they have identified that this area is one of the areas that pose a lot of threat to security. Look at where you have the rail line, it's like a buffer zone. And if you allow this kind of people to be here, what it means that anything can happen to our trades, and nobody will take that risk. Here is government land. A lot of vegetation. Government have not decided what to do with it, and so some of these people have come to stay under it and then begin to use it as an area of committing crimes. But we are humans, and we have come here to tell them the true position of government, and then say how we can also interface with them, see what we can do for them, so that it should not be as if we are inflicting hardship on them. But the truth of the matter is that no government worth its salt will fold its arms and allow this place to be occupied by hoodlums. You can imagine the number of persons that are here who we cannot identify. We hear a lot of crimes are being committed outside, and then at the end of the day, they come here to say, how will you know? So government has decided that we are going to go back and look at what we are going to do as far as this zone is concerned. And we have told them nobody will go to build anything, whether temporary or permanent. No, we will not allow them until government has taken the final decision on what to do on this piece of land. And I've also said that no amount of blackmail, no amount of intimidation, no amount of abuses, we must go about to do our job. It doesn't matter those they were hired, they call them civil society or non-civil society. We're not interested in that. Our interest is to protect life and property, to safeguard Abuja, so that we're one of the best cities in the world. And everybody is saying that we're working in synergy with all these various security agencies. So we're happy that we have come to see the place by ourselves. And on the other side too, we'll take a date to go to the other side of the rail line and say that we don't allow things like this to continue to happen.
Minister, the other shanty towns in the FCT, will this also be adopted in the other shanty towns in this approach?
Yes, as at yesterday being Saturday, you may not believe it. Myself, the Director of Lands Development Control, we went around and we saw so many shanties. So many areas have been converted to bus stops and the rest, and we have decided that some of these areas will be converted to new bus terminals, and such shanties will be demolished, so that to allow for good environment, other leaders, and for people to carry out their business. You see, it's so painful when we are doing this work. We are not against anybody. It's for the interest of everybody, members of the public. But people who come out to say, oh, that poor people who are looking for their livings, nobody wants them to have a place. It's not correct. Security is key. We will not, because you want to find food and the other people will not be secured. It's our responsibility. It's the responsibility of government to make sure that people are protected while you are looking for whatever you want to look for in order to live your life. So be assured that we will continue with the demolition of shanties that pose security threats to FCT Abuja. It doesn't matter whatever coloration, whatever name anybody will give to it, we will think we'll do the right thing and nothing will stop us.